Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Snapchat often stores typed text as a layered sticker inside the saved file. This means the text can be part of the image metadata rather than raw pixels. When you save or screenshot, the app sometimes preserves that layer instead of flattening it. Knowing this difference lets you decide how to edit. If the text remains a layer, only specific workflow steps will remove it cleanly. Follow the constrained method I will explain to avoid artifacts and to respect privacy. Open the Snapchat image in an editor that supports layers and content-aware tools. If the text exists as a layer, flatten the image first so the text becomes pixels. Use the clone stamp or content-aware fill to sample surrounding pixels and replace the text area. Work in small strokes and match texture, lighting, and color for a seamless result. After editing, save the file as a flattened PNG or JPG to prevent any text layer from being restored. First, open the image in a capable editor like Photoshop or a similar app. Next, check for a separate text layer and flatten the image into a single pixel layer. Then use the clone stamp or content-aware fill tool to replace text with matching surrounding pixels. Work in small sections and continually zoom out to check overall consistency and lighting. Finally, export the image as a flattened PNG or JPG to lock the edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.